Hey, it's after hours. You know what that means. We're winding down for our Wine-tini. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, let us know. Do you like martinis? With this Wine-tini, we decided to kick it up a little bit, so we got a special ingredient in there for you. Banana Pepper Brine into there instead of olive juice. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're gonna need a shaker. Okay, so with this cocktail, you do need a shaker. You could just use 2 different glasses that kind of fit together, but it's nice to have a shaker. And we're adding 3 ounces of your preferred Chardonnay. We're using this because of the bottle. It just looks pretty cool. So we're adding 3 ounces. Here we go. 1.5. And 3. Just like that. And then we're gonna be adding an ounce of Tanqueray gin. Now this martini can be pretty dangerous because—
Can you use any other gin? Or
yeah, so you can use whatever gin you want, but if you wanna try what we're trying, you'll wanna use the 19 Crimes Chardonnay and Tanqueray. So we're gonna add this 1 ounce to it, just like that, bam. And then here's where we kick it up a notch. We're gonna be getting some of this brine out of here. Now you may be thinking, what the heck are you doing? But it's surprisingly good. And with the pasta dish we just made a second ago, it's exceptional. So we're just adding about 1/4 ounce to 1/2 ounce inside of there.
Yeah, just kind of depends how peppery you want it.
Yeah, exactly. And then once we've got all of our ingredients in our shaker, we're gonna add some ice in there. Because with a martini, they're best served ice cold. So let's go ahead and get some ice in here. And since it's for us, I'm just grabbing the ice. Just gonna
Want me to grab your chilled glass?
Yeah, would you mind grabbing my chilled glass for me? And we're just gonna shake this bad boy till it gets frosty on the outside. I don't know if you can see that, but the liquid that's on the outside of here is already frozen onto it, so that's how you know it's ready. Now, we're just gonna take this cap off, if we can get it off, because it's frozen shut. Take your little strainer, put that bad boy right inside, and we're gonna strain this right into our chilled martini glass. Just like that. Man, look at that color. That's a pretty martini. I'm gonna set this to the side.
Yes, it is.
And now it's garnish time. So since we did banana pepper brine, we're gonna do banana pepper garnish. So let's take one of those out. Let me grab a knife real quick. And we're just gonna cut right down the center of this pepper. And we're gonna add it right on the edge like that. And then take one of these little bamboo sticks and have it as a stir stick. Just like that. And guys, OTK After Hours, Wine-tini with banana pepper brine. Telling you what, that's gonna go perfect with that pasta. It's gonna go absolutely perfect. So why don't you get over here and give this bad boy a try.
Oh, well, it's a little early for me.
Yeah, it might be a little early, but it's definitely worth it.
It is a very unique color.
It is.
It smells good.
Yeah. I really like it with the 1/4-ish ounce. We tried this with 3/4 ounces, and the brine was a little forward,
Got a
but
little spice, but you're right.
yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm not whining about it.
Now, the flavor of this is really going to be affected by the Chardonnay you use, but I will say this 19 Crimes, it has a decent flavor.
Yeah, it does. It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
That's enjoyable. And
Yeah.
you're right. It goes very well with that creamy pesto pasta.
Yeah. Which, check out that video.
Yes. Well, good job. I like it. All
Yeah.
right. Well, this for me.
Yeah.
Well, cheers. Don't forget, drink responsibly.
So, all in it, so it could be a little dangerous. And I just did 1.5 ounces and it's supposed to be 1 ounce. I feel like I should restart.
Oh, we'll see you next time. Cheers. Drink responsibly.
Yes, there you go.